Day 49 Vocabulary 1 Everyone is entitled to their own opinion. 2. You should consider all options before deciding. 3. She make a careful decision after thinking it thought. 4. His belief in hard work helped him success. 5. That's what a thoughtful response to the problem. 6. I felt confused after hearing different opinions. 7. She came up with a creative idea for the project. 8. It's hard to forget when you try. 9. Can you imagine living in another country? Collocation 1. I'm thinking about changing my job. 2. Think carefully before you answer. 3. He changed his mind in last minute. 4. It's time to make up your mind. 5. You need to think outside the box to solve this problem. Idiom. You seem quiet. Do you have something on your mind?